Today is a beautiful Sunday morning. Tom, Anna, wake up! We are going to the beach today.
Everything is ready.
Wonderful! Today will be a great beach trip.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning. Why are you so happy today?
Because today we are going to the beach. Yay! I can't wait to go to the beach. Me too. This will be so much fun.
Let's pack everything before we leave.
I will bring the towels.
I will bring the sunscreen.
I will bring my beach ball. I will bring my hat.
Very good! We must be ready.
Seatbelts on. Ready.
Wow! The beach is so beautiful. The sea is blue. The sand is soft.
Remember our beach manners.
What are beach manners?
We keep the beach clean. We respect other people. We stay safe. We help when someone needs us.
I understand.
It looks amazing.
I understand.
It looks amazing.
Trash does not belong on the beach.
Let's throw them away.
The beach looks cleaner now.
Oh no! I will catch it. I'm sorry. I forgot.
That's okay. Please use the trash bin.
Thank you.
Thank you for helping my son.
We all learn every day.
Please don't run too fast. The sand is slippery.
You are right, Dad. Our little shovel is gone. I found it. Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Did we leave anything behind?
Everything is clean. The beach looks just as beautiful as before.
That is good manners.
I learned many things today.
Good manners make everyone happy.
I am proud of both of you.
What a wonderful day. Let's come back again soon.
Yes!